or you think you have an instinct to survive. And so the only thing anybody can agree about today is that we ought to survive. So when we say to ourselves, you must go on, the reason is, you see, that we are not living in the eternal now, where reality is. We are always thinking that the satisfaction of life will be coming later. There's a good time coming, be it ever so far away, that one far-off divine event to which all creation moves. Don't kid yourself. As the Hindus have taught us, in the course of time, everything gets worse. It eventually falls apart. That really, there isn't much of a future. You're going to die. So, therefore, this hope for the future is a hoax. It's a perfect hoax. Everybody puts it off. It's this business of, because you're not fully alive now, you think maybe someday you will be. And they're always unhappy, absolutely miserable. So therefore, they always hope more is coming, because they believe eventually something satisfactory will happen. We want more time. Confucius very wisely said, a man who understands the Tao in the morning may die with content in the evening. Because when you understand, you don't put your hope in time. Time won't solve a thing. And the Christian word for sinning in Greek is amatanin, which means to miss the point. And the point is eternal life, which is here and now. Come to your senses. When you become again as a child, and simply forget all that you ever were told, and contemplate what is, and then you enter into the eternal state. Well, there's no problem. Who the hell do you think you are?